Well, now up to Eurofighter gains altitude in a really short time, performing the fast climb with a spiral in full throttle. Major Campello is pulling 9G while reaching the top of the maneuver. And once he gets 3,500 feet, he set the aircraft to show its 50 square meters of wing surface. Rapidly he's moving down before performing a roll-under. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen, in front of you. The roll-under is a tactical roll to avoid chasing enemy aircraft during fight flying. This allows a sudden change of direction in this occasion it will keep him ready for the last flyover. From your left, Major Luca Campello with his Typhoon is ready to complete test. Now try to figure out the pilot cannot see the runway, he cannot see anything else but his altitude and speed indicators. He constantly checks because only